Hi friends, we are learning how to count money this week and learning about coins. And I am finding it very interesting. Did you know that the penny is worth 1 cent? You might not think that's a lot, but finding a penny is pretty fun, huh? The way you can tell the different coins is by the pictures on the coins. Now, the penny is the only one that's completely copper, but it has, so it's easy to find, it has Abraham Lincoln on the penny. And depending on what year it is, will depend on what is on the back of the coin. Before 2010, the penny had the Lincoln Memorial on the back. Can you see it? It's hard to see. The Lincoln Memorial. And after, in 2010, and after, they put the Union Shield. This is easier to see because it's a newer penny and it's shinier. Okay, then there is the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So 5 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got to have 5 of these, will equal a nickel. So 5 pennies is equal to nickel. Okay? So you need more pennies to equal a nickel. The nickel has Thomas Jefferson on the front. The difference, not all pennies look alike though. Nickels. Not all nickels look alike. Some of them have Thomas Jefferson facing sideways, and then some have Thomas Jefferson facing forward. Can you see that? Pretty neat, huh? That's just like the penny. It changed in 2006. The dime has stayed pretty good for us. Dime and the nickel both are made out of copper and nickel is the material. And the dime has Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. And it's smaller. The back has a torch and olive branches. The dime is worth 10 cents. Even though it's the smallest, it is worth more than the nickel or the penny. Okay? It takes 10 pennies, because they're worth 1 cent, to equal the 10 piece here, the 10 cents, the dime. So you need 10 pennies to equal a dime. Since the nickel is worth 5 cents, how many nickels do you need to equal a dime? 5, and this is worth 10. So how many of these would equal 10? 5, skip count, 10. 2 nickels equals 1 dime. Okay? The last piece you'll be learning about is the quarter. Quarter is 25 cents. So 25 pennies. If pennies are 1 cent, you need 25 pennies to equal this quarter. 5 cents. You'd have to count by 5s to get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many times did I jump? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels equals a quarter. And if a dime is equal to 10 cents, 10, 20, 30, oh, we jumped over. So we have to have 2, 10, 20, and if we need to make 25, what coin do we need to add? Which one is 5 cents? A nickel. 10, 20, 5 equals a quarter. Okay, quarter is different than all the other coins. It has George Washington on the front. But the back can be anything. There's a normal quarter with the bald eagle, or there are the state quarters that has one of the states on it. This one right here is California. There are the national park, where they're called America the Beautiful quarters. This is a 2020 coin right here. It's called the Samoa Park. National Park in Samoa. It is, what's cool about these is you can look up the park, the national park that it came from. If you start playing with your coins, you can really start learning something. I learned that this is spread across this Samoa Park that is on the back of this coin is spread across 3 islands, and there's volcanoes there. There's all kinds of amazing things that you can find at this park. I cannot even imagine a park that is spread across 3 islands. I think of Topsail Island or Emerald Isle, those islands, and how beautiful and neat they are. Well, this is a whole entire national park. So that makes me want to learn more about it, right? And then while I'm still learning about coins and all the things that they can teach me, the last one is called a territory coin. And I don't know if I can just pull one out. Most of these, okay, this is the bald eagle. This is another state one. This is Kentucky. Kentucky is famous for the Kentucky Derby, so of course there's a horse on there. Play with your coins today as you're counting them. Learn about something special as you're counting or as you're looking at your coins. Look at them. Discover more than just a penny equals 1 cent. This penny has been all over the place. This is 2010. That's 10 years older than you. This penny has lived a longer life than you have. So I'm going to save this 2020 coin because what a year this has been. It's the year we spent together. It's the year of the pandemic. It's the year of so many things. But one last thing. This right here. Oh, this is what I'm getting my coins out of. My husband comes home every day and he drops his change, his loose change, in this jar. Men don't normally, some of them do, but men don't usually carry purses, and they have change in their pockets, so he just dumps it out. And when it gets to the top, we put it in the coin machines at the bank. You drop it in, and they print out a ticket, and it tells you how much money, and you can get it put in your bank, or you can get it cashed out. Well, we always save the money up for something special. The last time we cashed in all these coins, it was enough money to buy a brand new, really nice car seat for one of our children. So, coins are not just coins. A penny's not just a penny. It adds up. And one last fun fact. Do you know it costs more to make a penny than it's actually worth? It actually costs 1.67 cents to make a penny. Have fun learning about coins. If you were taking the math test would be something like this. How many pennies does it take to make a dime? or how many quarters does it take to make $1? So you're gonna see what equals what. Okay, practice matching numbers. You can practice putting like 3 dimes on a table and find another way to make 3 dimes. 3 dimes is 10, 20, 30, 30 cents. Find another way to make that, okay? Have a great day. I hope you're enjoying learning. Well, my computer's frozen. I'm going to stop it, I promise. Maybe. Just a few more minutes.